We still got time. Hey, it's never too late to make changes in your life, change course or change direction, to follow your dreams, your desires. You know within yourself all of the things that you want to do and achieve. I'm going to give you an example. I have a beautiful client who's just finishing her maternity leave and she's due to go back into nursing. However, in each of our sessions, the things that really light her up when she's talking to me is her veggie garden and recipes and all this nutritionist information that she shares with me, which is really cool. So I asked her, hey Ellie, why have you never considered moving into the nutritionist space? And her face lit up, right? But her response was all the reasons not to move there. So I said to her, but what if we could remove and reduce and manage all of those reasons that you shouldn't be doing the nutritionist course? What if you could do it and then still go back into nursing for the moment? Of course, her response was yes, yes, yes. So it's never too late is what I'm trying to say to you. If you want to make a change or try something new and you need some guidance and a framework, please try my 7-day life coaching and hypnosis course, takecontrol, takeaction.com.au.